Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to episode number 13 on season 2. And today we are getting into stockpile and fractional shares. This question comes from Teron Wilson. He says, great informative video. My bad, botched the first part of the question already. I have a question. For example, Facebook share price right now is $187.87. If I buy it for exactly that price versus $10, would I own a full share? First of all, thank you for the comment. I appreciate it, and definitely, so to answer the question right off the bat, no, you wouldn't own a full share because the full share price would be $187.87. But what you are referring to is a fractional share, and this is something that Stockpile does to help beginning investors basically get into the stock market. And so for those of you who don't know, let's go ahead and dive into what a fractional share is. A fractional share basically means that if you can invest into a company for only $5 or even less than that, but you can buy, say, Apple stock. You can buy a part of Apple for $5 instead of buying an entire Apple share, which is probably upwards of $100 or so or more, or Facebook, which would be $187. So this would not be the entire stock, it would just be a percentage of a stock. I did have this nice graph that I drew out, but maybe I'll just post a picture of it right there so that you can see that explains fractional shares in a nutshell. So basically, Facebook's stock price is $187.87, and you want to buy $10 of that. So you put 10 on the top and then $187. So 10 divided by 187, which gives you, or 5.32% of a share, or basically you would own 0.05 of one share of that company of Facebook. Then say that company was to pay a $10 dividend per one share, you would make basically 53 cents on that dividend that they paid for the entire share. So that's basically what it breaks down to. So you do the amount of money that you're going to put in as the denominator, and then the amount of money that the price is right now and the numerator, and then out will spit a number, and then you convert that over into a percentage, and that will be the percentage of the share that you actually own. Hope that explains it. That's pretty simple. Fractional shares is great for beginning investors. It also is great especially when you get paid dividends, because it's easy to compound those and reinvest those back into a stock. So instead of waiting until you make another $187 to buy another share like you would on Robinhood, with Stockpile you can actually just buy another $5 of that share. Unfortunately, you do have to pay a $1 trading fee or whatever it is, or investment fee per buying fee or whatever it would be, or selling fee. And so that's the only thing that I would suggest, is make sure that it's worth actually the money that you're putting into. So if you put in $10, you're already losing 10% because that dollar is disappear to Stockpile. Where if you had $20 that you were investing, you're only losing 5%. That $40, you're losing 2.5%, and so on and so forth. If you're looking to grow an account, especially if you're looking to invest $5, you're losing 20% as soon as you invest that $5, because $1 is going and it's going to be gone. So that's all I'm saying when it comes to using Stockpile. Just make sure that the fee is calculated into the amount of money that you're actually buying and how much you need that stock to rise before you actually make money. Anyways, I hope that explains fractional shares. Quickly, let's go ahead and dive into the question of the day, which is toilet paper over or under. Me personally, I prefer my toilet paper over. I like to pull it like this, not like this from underneath. I don't know, I just think it looks better, and plus when you go over, you can do a nice cute little fold, and it's like, hey, that's pretty cool. Like the hotel rooms do, basically. That's the way that I like it to look, in a nutshell. Anyways, like I was saying, if you have any questions regarding Stash, Acorns, Robinhood, as well as general investing advice, business, Etsy coaching, post those questions down below. Don't forget to subscribe up here and check out my What is Stockpile? Check out that video right here. And as always, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it.